Today's definitely going to be an interesting day. Unfortunately, the whole market has shifted. We're up a little over $1,700. And so let's go ahead and open this up. Really, really nice. Look at the logo. Good morning. I'm on my way to get coffee right now. The market opens in 25 minutes and I'm currently going into market open today with 3 positions, which I wanted to show you guys right now. But I want to say, whenever we're looking at pre-market and aftermarket sessions, especially the aftermarket, you never know what's going to happen until the bell goes off. And I'm going to show you right now, if we look at Apple, Apple's up 0.37%, which is great news for me because I've got Apple calls on, but that could change literally seconds before the market opens. And then I'm also in ticker symbol BX, long on BX. BX is up 0.37% heading into open. And then lastly, I am in on ticker symbol GOLD, calls as well. Unfortunately, GOLD is down 0.15%. I know you guys probably do this. Don't stress yourself out looking at aftermarket or even pre-market moves on the position that you have open. You just don't know what's gonna happen, right? I mean, a stock could gap down 10% after hours, which I've seen happen, and then totally recover pre-market, or it could be up 10% after hours and you're so excited, and then you wake up in the morning and you see that it's negative or it's flat. So just don't even bother looking at pre-market and aftermarket because everything, can change overnight. So with that said, I'm excited to take you guys along the day in the life of a full-time trader in the stock market. So let's go. A little irresponsible of me. It is 9:25. The market opens in 5 minutes. So I'm gonna be a little late to getting back and being on my computer at market open. However, like I said, everything was looking good pre-market, but we know how that works. So kind of contradicting what I was saying. Okay, so if you followed along in the last vlog, obviously it was Apple and BX that were really rallying. Yesterday, we were up 15% at one point on Apple, but you can see here we ended up unfortunately gapping down a bit right before the open, exactly what I was talking about, funny enough. And then let's check out GOLD, which we're up 12% on. Looks like we're up 0.15 on the day. And then let's check out ticker symbol BX. Now BX, I've been in the longest out of all of these trades. This thing is just a slow mover, and I'm pretty sure this is the most I've been up on this position at one time. So I'm very happy with that. I don't know, today's definitely gonna be an interesting day. So, I'm gonna be in these positions potentially through the weekend if I don't get out today. Like I said in the last vlog, if you guys watched, I got a new computer. My computer's just been dying. I've been having issues. And so let's go ahead and open this up. So I'm not getting rid of my MacBook Pro, but I just wanted a computer that was easier to travel with, to go out, to work with. That's why I got a MacBook Air. It's a lot lighter, less cumbersome. All right, just checking in. Wanted to give you guys a little update as to where the overall market is. And I'm actually gonna also go and pick up some merchandise samples. We got some merch coming, the Daily Traders merch, which I'm super excited about. But I did end up getting stopped out of my Apple position. Now, I stuck to my trade plan. I had a planned loss of 15%. And you can see here, my net ROI was negative 14.53. I wanna say this, and I say it time and time again, but you have to follow your plan. You have to get out of a trade. You always have to have a stop loss, because what happens is I've seen traders have a very easy time holding losers, letting them bleed out, and taking profit fast on their winners. And if I show you here, you can see my exit this morning, 9:55, I ended up closing out of this position. And you can see right now where Apple is trading at this point, instead of being down 15%, if I had continued to hold, I might be down upwards of 30%. So that is why we stick to our trade plan. I got out, and look where we are right now. I'm obviously still in ticker symbol BX, and I'm still in ticker symbol GOLD. It looks like GOLD has sold off. We're down 0.77, and I am still up 3%. As far as ticker symbol BX, it looks like we have also sold off. We're down around 0.78, and I'm down around 4%. So unfortunately, the whole market has shifted. Things have turned around, and now I'm in the red on the day. So when looking at my trading, I'm really looking at a 3-month time horizon. I'm not judging how well I'm doing based off the day-to-day, week-to-week, or even month-to-month. I'm looking 3 months out. And if you treat trading like this, you don't pay attention to those small dips in your equity curve. You focus on the end of year goal, which is being profitable. All right, with that said, let's go hit the gym and grab my merch samples. All right, this is really exciting. We've wanted merch forever, and we just got these samples, and that looks amazing. So 3 different types of material. I wanted to personally wear these myself and then see what's, you know, kind of the most comfortable. So this one feels a little more breathable, and I'm gonna wear these. I'm gonna see which one I like the most, and then we're gonna order a bunch for the team, probably for the mentorship group, all my students. But dang, they did a really good job. That like embroidery is really, really nice. Look at the logo. So I'm like the pickiest person when it comes to clothes and material, and if stuff gets wrinkly or not. And so I want to give it a good couple weeks, see if these get wrinkled, see if they like feel staticky, see if they feel itchy. I mean, I'm gonna put these through the ultimate test and provide the best merch possible for everyone else to wear. So I'm on my way back from the gym. It's 1:30. I've got a meeting. The market's just been trading pretty sideways since last time I checked in. Really, my ticker symbol BX position and gold, not really gold, but GOLD, they're both, you know, relatively where they were before, so nothing much has happened. Very slow afternoon, and I'll check in before close and we can kind of see where we're at. All right, so the market is closing in 2 minutes, guys. Let me pull up my screen and you can see SPY has just absolutely rallied into the close. Ticker symbol BX, which we are now up 9% on. Look at that movement. And ticker symbol GOLD also making a nice move to the upside. So we're, you know, slightly red on the day on ticker symbol GOLD. Ticker symbol BX is currently up 1.36%. We are pushing up. You can see we just actually broke out of this week's range at 142, a nice area, a key level of resistance to break above. And now it looks like we've got a clear shot back up into these highs at 145.16. Ticker symbol GOLD, we can see here, you know, we have been consolidating a bit this week, but with this nice push into the close, now being up 10% on BX, it looks like so far now we are back in the green today, which is awesome to see. Obviously, we did take that Apple loss this morning, but with these 2 positions, our P&L day is now sitting at around $800. So slightly green. And then I'm going to be swinging these 2 trades through this 3-day long weekend. We closed the week negative $1,400 in losses that have actually been well realized. However, with today's close, seeing that we're up a little over $1,700, we're actually coming out of this week technically only having lost $700. However, if you want to follow along, if you want to stay tuned, if you want to learn how to trade yourself, subscribe, and you can click the link in the description below to learn more about my mentorship group and the education that I have to offer. So with that said, I will see you all in the next video. Later.